I also wanted to get a few of the spices before we go.
Oh.
Mm. Okay. So we'll wait for you outside. I think you're working on this
Yes.
client.
Yes.
Kale. Will they be here also?
We are going to put on the other side.
Can I film you?
Yes.
Go take them.
Hey, it is okay.
So we can wait here.
Yeah, we
Outside.
Yes.
Now these ones, our client is taking them, so they pack them for you in a way that you can easily carry them and then reach home and plant. Simple. Each seedling is 500, right?
Yes, and others are 300.
Some
tomato, which is 500.
Oh,
then
so
the other 300.
Tomatoes are 500, others are 300.
Yes.
So these are tomatoes?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Wow. So these ones are 300.
Yes.
Spinach.
Sukuma. You see?
They give you a list.
With a list of what they want.
Oh, yeah. Yes. So this is like a supermarket for seedlings.
Yes.
Someone comes with a shopping list.
You come with your list.
And then they serve you.
Yes.
Someone's list has tomatoes, 10,000. Eggplant, 3,000. Cauliflower, 3,000. Spinach, 5,000. Sukuma wiki, 2,000. Spring onions, 2,000. Total, 25,000.
Yes.
Ready to shop, and you come, take seedlings, go plant.
Yes.
Awesome. Indeed, modern farming. You don't take more than you need, because when you have your seedlings, you have to figure out where to plant them.
Yes.
But here, you just come for the ones that fill your space.
Yes.
Kalikutukayono nga oyagala okamwe nga kagumu bulungi so that tebumutawaanya simba.
Yes.
Okay. Gotcha. So kati oba obumuteera mbuveera naawe obumwawulira n'omuteera different natwala obuveera bwe 1 2 3 mukaaga. Okay.
Yes. Ye buli kyayagala kiri wano. So kiringana wasatu sukuma wa bbiri onions wa bbiri. There are things which are easy to differentiate. Those ones we can pack them together.
Oh.
Yes, like now the onions and the eggplant, someone can easily differentiate.
Can tell them apart.
Yes.
Okay.
So those ones we pack together. Now I'm packing eggplants. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus a bonus. This is now eggplant. Now I'm going to pack up onions.
Onions.
Maybe 1 or 2,000, the spring onions. So I'm getting these ones here.
Because they are easy to differentiate.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now sukuma also for 2. Sukuma is here.
Okay.
2,000. Went for 2,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this sukuma. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is sukuma.
Sukuma. Okay.
Cauliflower. Let me call it. We have another nursery. Let me call this gentleman
To bring for you a tray for cauliflower. So this one greenhouse is out of cauliflower.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Balikugwa sweetheart.
I wanted at least lavender, oregano, mint. Do you have different types of mint?
Oh.
You said mint, you have only one. That is peppermint.
It's nice.
Actually, you can pick. You no, go and pick somewhere there and do those ones. You pick from those ones. Gabati. Maga kila amazi mangi. Gatwa amazi okukila mangi.
I think oregano. I've heard them talk about it on food channels a lot. I'm thinking of how it would taste sauce, especially
Yes.
2 lemon,
2 lemon balm, 2 mint,
2 peppermint.
yes,
Then oregano, we do 2.
yes.
Then we'll also do 3 lavender.
Okay, lavender we have 2 types.
Uh-huh.
We have the cotton wool lavender, I did show you it was up, and then the normal lavender which is soft. Actually there are 3 types, but at the moment we have 2.
Okay, what is the best?
They are all good, by the way. Even cotton wool has a very strong scent.
I think now you have to give me both types.
So that's you can.
So we have 2 lemon balm,
Yes.
2 normal peppermint, 2 oregano,
2 lavender.
2 lavender. That one. The 2 types.
Who is looking after them? You're the one. You haven't begun yet.
The 2 types of lavender. You give me 2 of each.
Okay.
2 cotton and 2 of the others.
Okay.
So that makes about, I think I've asked for 10 items.
Yeah, definitely.
That is it. You remember?
Yeah, I remember.
Kale.
All
Waliwo
that 10.
ekirala? What is that?
Koma mawanga. Yeah.
Those giant passion fruit which creeps on the face. Neberayo nebeerayo negundi what? These are strawberries.
Oh, how is that? How long does strawberry take?
4 months.
Okay. Oteekeko ne 2 strawberries ne bu passion fruit bubiri. Kyekyo se. Obukola juice.
Obunene.
Obwa papa obutono. Obwa papa obutono. Bwe bukola juice ewooma bwendaba.
Okay.
You can for passion do both. One
The big one
This is the big one which grips.
on the
Puts
fence.
on a very big fruit. Grips on the fence.
I
So
think
you got one of each. The big one and the small one, the purple one.
So you want the purple one?
Yes, one of the purple one and one of the big one. Yes.
The other one will take it.
the small one, the purple.
Then this one will take one.
Kale. Nga bw'ogambye
Perfect.
That's it.
If I was going home, would have taken for my mom to go.
Kandi kamwe bitano naye katule mwali musarako sikulimba tekawezange